All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part one. And I'm going to ask you some questions, and I'm expecting short answers in 4 5 sentences. Connect your ideas together, make compound sentences, use a variety of words, variety of sentence structures to get good bench score. Let's take a start with you. The topic is barbecue, and the question is, do you like barbecue?
Yes, I like barbecue because it is the best way to entertain with entertainment with your family,
Okay, it's the best way to entertain yourself with your family.
and in this way, I am able to spend time with my family because I am a student and I am mostly busy in my study, so it's the best way.
See, you did not use the word barbecue anywhere. It is entertainment, it is best way, it is that, it is that. So it sounds like your answer is generic answer. You can put it anywhere. You should use the word barbecue, you should use the word chicken, kebabs, chicken tikkas, chicken barbecue, something like that. So your answer must be specific. Don't give a generic answer to any question. Let's go on. What kind of food do you like to eat for barbecue?
For barbecue,
What kind of food do you like to eat for barbecue? I love to eat chicken for
chicken
barbecue because chicken is the most favorite barbecue in
barbecue.
of my of the people of my country, something like that. So, what
Uh,
kind of food do you like to eat for barbecue?
I mostly prefer to eat malai roti
Yeah, that's right.
because it's my favorite and it is quite yummy in eat.
Yeah, it's quite yummy to eat. So
It's
this is my most
most
favorite type
favorite
of
type of food.
barbecue. Would you like to have barbecue with your family or with your friends?
Mostly I prefer to spend time with my family in this type of event,
For
like
this type of activity?
activity like barbecue, because it is the best way. We are very close to with our friends, and we have a talk with each other. Because we spend most of the time with family in home, but friends we have sometimes we have a time with family with friends to spend time.
Yes, your answer is so confusing answer. We don't understand what the question is actually. Okay, so focus the question. All right. Did you have barbecue when you were a child?
Yes, once a time. Yes, many time we have a barbecue
We
when
used to have,
we
or I
use.
used to have barbecue in my childhood.
I used to have barbecue in my childhood whenever the event come of Eid, Eid ul Adha. We we have a
We
get
used to
together
have
with
barbecue, and I still remember that, and we used to have a lot of fun. So you need to focus, stay connected, and make your answer according to the question. Okay, let's go on. It's your turn. Okay, do you like to travel by car?
Well, yes, I like to travel by car because it's a comfortable journey. Because it make comfortable my journey, and it's like a sima how you sit in home and there's no trouble in traveling. Go to one place to another. Therefore, I like to travel in car. It's
Okay, when do you usually travel by car?
I usually like travel car more time more time because I almost travel in car every day because it's used in my as a convenience. Uh, it's because it's very easy like a transport
It's very easy to commute from one
commute
place to
to
another.
another
So I usually travel by
travel
car
by
whenever I
car
want to go anywhere.
anywhere.
Okay, just stick to the main topic. That is important. Uh, okay, do you like to sit in the back or front when traveling by car?
Oh, well, when I'm traveling the car, I like to sit in front because it's a comfortable seat for me. There is not any because it's feel like very comfortable. Not you feel any jump and. Uh, in a rushy area, in a rushy roads, there's a not you feel pollution and your atmosphere around you is very fresh and I feel very
I
easily.
feel.
I feel very easy when I
Okay. Do you
sit
know
front.
how to drive car?
Yeah, I now drive car. I Recently, I learned how to drive car.
I have learned how to
I
drive car.
I have learned how to drive car because I'm very. It's my wish that I.
It was my
It
wish to
was my
learn
wish to
driving.
learn driving. Therefore, I learned.
So therefore, very
So
recently, I
therefore,
have
recent.
completed my driving course.
Yes.
All right, it's good. Just try to stay connected and overcome that also.
Okay.
You'll be fine. Gradually, because you should not be confused. When you are confused, then you repeat the same idea.
Yes.
When you are confused, then you deviate from the question. Okay?
Yes.
Next one, please.
Thank you.
What do you do to relax yourself?
Well, usually I like to listen music when
I like to listen to music.
okay, I like to listen to music to get myself relaxed because after so many exertion and
After so much exertion,
after so much exertion and the hectic routine, so one get relaxed listening to music.
yeah, one can get relaxed by listening to music. Get
Alright.
relaxed.
Okay.
Okay. Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Yeah, I think that any kind of physical activity makes yourself relax because whenever you indulge yourself and start, such as if you are playing badminton, so physical activity change your mind,
Changes your
mood,
mind,
changes your
changes.
mind at the same time changes your mental. If you are in any tension, so it makes you relax. It's a good source to get yourself.
Okay. Do
Free
you
from
think
tensions.
vacation is good time to relax?
Yeah, I personally feel that vacations are really very important for someone because we are all occupied ourselves in some daily basis routines. So vacation is a time when you can do any other activities, extracurricular activities. So this gives you more pleasure. This gives you many chances to do any other activities. So I think this is
All
a very
right.
good thing.
Good. Do you believe students need more relaxing time?
I personally believe that students really need some extra time for some extracurricular activities because they have extraordinary burdens on their shoulders for study because after completion their school timing there is private tuition centers they have to go for extra timings and afterwards they have to recite Holy Quran and their whole week is occupied. So I personally believe they need some extra time for themselves to
For themselves.
for themselves to
All right. This is fantastic. Keep it up like this. Okay. Good job. So just need practice and you'll be fine. Right?
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.